Alright, well, if you're an engineer or electrician, or you're someone that wants to build Arduino energy monitoring stuff, you should watch this video, because this video is a series in which I build an Omicron or a VoltageTest set that can output 3-phase voltage and 3-phase current channels, so you can test relays, I don't know, energy meters, that sort of thing. So stick around while I build out the voltage and the currents. Today we're hooking up the transformers to the power amplifiers and the power amplifiers up to the signal board. And hopefully at the end of the day, I've got volts out. Let's get the scope. Power up the amplifiers first. Power up the running off batteries at the moment for the control thing. Which channel are we on? Look at that.
Alive! It's alive! It's alive!
I'll check each one off camera, put them all together, look all the neutrals together, and see if it goes bang. Alright, so I've tested all three. All three is working. Now it's time to put the neutrals all together, have all the actives separated, run it into the multimeters. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I've got multimeters hooked up. Let's add the signal. We got nothing. We got nothing. Let's untie the neutrals. I'll put one back in. Alright, hopefully one of the multimeters works. Have I blown something? What's annoying is I've done this before, a couple of years back. So need to adjust the gain because I can't get to my desired voltage. Alright, sweet. So I've got two of them working. 5 volts, 5 volts. Noise. 5 volts, 5 volts. I've added two together. So I'm going to add the third transformer in now. And we'll see if it goes bad. All three are working. Da, 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 da. And they're all pretty steady. All pretty steady. All working. So I don't know what the hell was going on before, but it's working. I need a different multimeter. This one's too slow to update. This was what I've had when I was Sparky, and this one is my favourite. I love it. I love it. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, thank you. Consider subscribing, hit that like button. Come back next week or the next video, and I'll be doing the current channels. Yeah.